telescoping things.
That's cool.
He doesn't
Thank
need
you. I saw this one too.
He doesn't need a telepin. This one.
See, it's small and then goes to that. I have to open that up today. Pretty neat. Oh. You want to see this? What is it?
You've seen this, it's cool. What is it?
No, I mean like what plant is it?
It's the herbs, not the flowers.
True. So we can eat these.
Yes. I thought that was better than pretty pink flowers.
I agree with this more, thank you. We just
So he can grow herbs.
What she really wants is so she doesn't kill my herbs.
We have. Since you got those new pots.
Yeah, can I have a second? Those this color.
Yes.
What else? I don't have a piece of paper. Cool.
No, I thought it was a cool.
It is.
It lights up kind of cool.
Oh, I wonder where it's from.
I didn't have pink on it.
You should just. Was this the blind package one, or is that another one?
Do it again.
No, I'm not doing that
Shut
again.
up.
Right.
Well, close your eyes when you do it. He goes like this and was like.
So what is it?
Flashlight. It's from a game that's on the PSP though.
I thought there was a cool flashlight.
It's really bright. Here, you do it.
No, I wouldn't have flashed a flashlight in a minute. Anyway, it goes on a keychain for your phone.
How bright? How else are you gonna see how bright it is?
That's brilliant. Here, but so you can like do this and keep it on.
Mm-hmm.
Adjustable.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's probably got catnip on it.
I know.
What you got that one for Christmas? Skeet.
Yeah, I did. He didn't come around till she keeps taking a nap. Stop it.
Just like that.
I need to get a one on top.
What's it here? What's there a mini bag?
I don't know. When are you ready for that?
Probably ready to go now.
So you know you've got crystals you can grow and then
Oh.
add four more.
Cricket, hush now.
Oh, geez. Welcome. It's a white box. Thank you.
You're welcome. Aww. Give you a box over here.
What is it? Oh, are these the little light up lights so you can